Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. We're still on the salad series. That's another easy, delicious, nutritious Moroccan salad. It's very simple but so good. We need some lettuce, cucumbers, tomatoes, onions, and the vinaigrette. That means salt, pepper, lemon juice, and olive oil. We cut all the vegetables that we have, the lettuce, tomatoes, cucumbers, and onions, small pieces. Then we squeeze the lemon. If you don't want to use the lemon, you can use some apple cider vinegar or white vinegar. That's your choice. It's very easy salad, but it's healthy, vegan, gluten-free, and it's full of fiber. It's good to eat some vegetables, include them in your diet. Okay, now after the lemon, we add some olive oil. I always prefer to cook with olive oil and add some olive oil to my salads too. Some black pepper to taste, depend on quantity of vegetables you have, and some salt. That's it. Mix everything together really good, and our salad, it's ready. You see, only a few minutes, not that much time, and it's very refreshing kind of salad. Very simple but delicious, and of course nutritious. And this salad is one of the famous salads in Morocco that usually present in all the tables. This salad also can make a good lunch if you add some protein like grilled chicken or some tuna on top, or some boiled eggs. Thank you for watching and see you next time in a new video. Enjoy!